Hello and welcome back. So in the last episode, we were discussing about the introduction on clipping. Now in this episode, I'm going to discuss on clipping algorithms. So we'll first start with Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Okay. So this algorithm performs initial tests on a line to determine whether the intersection calculations can be avoided. So first, the endpoints are checked for trivial acceptance. So if they cannot be trivially accepted, region checks are done. The line segments with both endpoints in region to the left of x-min, to the right of x-max, below y-min and above y-max can be trivially rejected. So to perform trivial acceptance and trivial rejection, the edges of the clip rectangle are extended to divide the plane of the clip rectangle into 9 regions. So here each region is assigned a 4-bit code. Each bit is set either to 1 or 0. So let's see how region codes are set. So in 4-bit code, we said it is a 4-bit code. So bit 1 will be left, that is y greater than y max. Bit 2 will be right, that is y less than y max. And bit 3 will be below, that is x greater than x max. And bit 4 above, x less than x min. So this is how region codes are being set. So each endpoint of the line segment is assigned the code of the region in which it lies. Okay. So if the 4-bit code of the endpoints are 0, then the line lies completely within the clip rectangle and is trivially accepted. So actually, let's see how these codes are formed. So this side, it is 1 because first bit is C. Here, the first bit is left. Okay. Left, right, below and above is the 4 bits. So here it is on the left side. So it is 1. It is not on the right side. It is 0. It is not below. So it is 0. It is above. So we can set the bit as 1. Again, taking the second portion. Here it is not on the left side. So 0. Right side 0. Below 0. Above only. So 1. So likewise, we can set the region codes of each region. Only the clip rectangle will have the 4-bit code as completely 0. So if the 4-bit code of the endpoints are 0, then the line lies completely within the clip rectangle and is trivially accepted. If the logical AND of the codes of the endpoints is not 0, then the lines can be trivially rejected. So if the line lies completely within the clip rectangle only, it is trivially accepted. And if for rejection, we have to perform the logical ANDs. Logical AND of each of the codes of the endpoints. So if it is not 0, then the line can be trivially rejected. Okay. Now there will be both the cases, right? So if the lines cannot be trivially accepted or rejected, then the line is further divided such that one or both segments can be discarded. So the subdivision is done using an edge that causes the line to cut the line into 2 segments. Okay. Okay. The key property of the code is that the bits that are set corresponds to the edges crossed. The algorithm always chooses a point that lies outside and uses the code bit that is set to determine a clip edge. So the edge is chosen in top to bottom, right to left order. So now let's consider CD as a line, okay, which is plotted in the 9 region area. So consider CD. Let's see. Consider line CD. So CD is this. So C is the code endpoint of the code of C is 0, 0, 0, 0 because it is inside the clip rectangle, and the endpoint D is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So the line cannot be trivially accepted or trivially rejected. Okay. So the algorithm chooses D as the outside point whose code shows that the line crosses the top edge and left edge. So by testing order, we use top edge to clip the line. So we clip it on D dash. Okay, since D is outside the clip rectangle, we'll clip it on D dash on the clip rectangle. So now the code of D dash is 0, 0, 0, 0. So when we find the logical AND of both these, we get a value of 0. So then the next iteration, apply the trivial acceptance and trivial rejection test to the line CD dash, and CD dash is trivially accepted and displayed. Okay, this is one example. Considering another example is the line EI. So we consider the line EI. When we consider the line EI, we are taking the, so this is the line EI, we are taking the first endpoint E as 0, 1, 0, 0 and I as, sorry, it is I as 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now the line cannot be trivially accepted. Okay. Why? Because when we find the AND of that, it is 0, but it is 0, but the line cannot be, since it is 0, the line cannot be trivially rejected also. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to clip it. So first we are clipping E dash. Okay. Only E dash we are clipping. So EI is being clipped on E dash. Now we'll find out what is next. So the first iteration is we're clipping on E dash. Let's see the code of E dash. Now consider the line E dash I. Okay, we are rejecting E and we are taking E dash I. Now E dash is 0, 0, 0, 0 and I is 1, 0, 1, 0. The line cannot be trivially accepted. But it cannot be trivially rejected because the logical AND of the same is getting an output of 0, 0, 0, 0. So it cannot be trivially rejected also. So now, since it cannot be trivially accepted or rejected, we have to find out the next iteration or the next point to clip the line. So we are clipping it at H. Okay, we are clipping it at H. Okay, let's see when we clip it at H. Now the line, consider E dash, I dash. Sorry, we're not clipping it at H, we're clipping it at I dash. Okay, I dash. When we clip it I dash, we get E dash and I dash values. Then the line cannot be trivially accepted, but it cannot be trivially rejected also. Okay. So we will do is that we will find out the fourth iteration. So we will clip it at H and we'll consider the line segment E dash H. This is E dash H. So now the value of E dash is 0, 0 and H is 0, 0. Now the line can be trivially accepted and displayed. So to trivially accept and display a line, for in this condition, we had 4 iterations to trivially accept and display. So this is how we are doing clipping. We are clipping at each and every points where we are rejecting the endpoint. So now consider the line segment PQ. Okay. We have the code for P as 0, 0, 0, 1 and Q as 0, 1, 0, 0. So the line cannot be trivially accepted, but it cannot be trivially rejected also. So we have to clip it at some point. So we are now first we are clipping it at P dash. Okay. Now the line segment is P dash Q. P dash is 0, 0, 0, 0 and Q is 0, 1, 0, 0. So it cannot be trivially accepted, but it cannot be trivially rejected also. Now we have to perform the second iteration. Now we are clipping it at Q dash. Now the line segment is P dash Q dash. So the code of P dash and the code of Q dash is given. Since it is inside the clip rectangle, so the line P dash Q dash can be trivially accepted and displayed. So this is how we are performing clipping and we are trivially accepting. Okay, we'll look on to the algorithm of Cohen-Sutherland. The working of Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. The first one is the outcodes of both endpoints are computed. Okay. Then we are checking for trivial acceptance or trivial rejection. Okay. If neither test is successful, find an endpoint that lies outside. Okay. Test the outcode or to find an edge that is crossed and to determine the corresponding intersection point. Now, clip off the line segment from outside point to the intersection point by replacing the outside point by the intersection point. Again, compute the outcode of the new endpoint to prepare for next iteration. So the intersection points are calculated by solving the equations represented by the line segment and the clip rectangles boundaries. So for left clip edge, the intersection point will be x min comma y, and y is equal to m into x min minus x naught plus y naught. And for right clip edge, the intersection point will be x max comma y, and y is equal to m into x max minus x naught plus y naught. Now for the top edge, the intersection point will be x comma y max, and x is equal to x0 plus 1 by m into y max minus y naught. And for the bottom edge, the intersection point will be x comma y min, where x is equal to x0 plus 1 by m into y min minus y naught. Likewise, we can find out 4 boundaries, 4 clip rectangle boundaries. So this is how we are performing clipping. Thank you so much.